Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence language model, can replace you as a data engineer. With the increasing use of AI in various fields, it is natural to wonder if technology will eventually render everyone's jobs obsolete. So let's dive in and explore the topic further. Firstly, let's take a look at what a data engineer does. Data engineers are responsible for designing, building, and maintaining the systems that processes and store large amounts of data. They work with databases, data warehouses, data pipelines to ensure that data is collected, transformed, and available for analysis. They also work on data modeling, database design, ensuring that data is structured in a way that is efficient for storage and retrieval. Now, let's examine what ChatGPT is capable of. ChatGPT is a language model that has been trained on massive amounts of data and can understand and generate human-like responses to a wide range of topics. While ChatGPT is undoubtedly powerful, it is important to note that it was not specially designed to replace data engineers. Its purpose is to assist with tasks like language translation, content creation, customer support, and sometimes, as an engineer, I use it for template data workflows or maybe writing Python scripts. So can ChatGPT replace you as a data engineer? The answer is no. While ChatGPT may be able to help with some tasks such as data cleaning and transformation, it lacks deep understanding of databases and data structures that a data engineer has. Additionally, a data engineer's job involves more than just working with data. They also collaborate with team members and stakeholders to ensure that data systems are meeting business requirements or needs. It is also worth noting that data engineering is a rapidly evolving field with new technologies and tools emerging all the time. Data engineers need to constantly stay up to date with the latest developments in the field and adapt their skills accordingly. While ChatGPT can certainly learn from new data, it doesn't have the ability to actively seek and learn new skills on its own. In conclusion, while ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can assist with certain data-related tasks, it cannot replace data engineers. Data engineering requires a deep understanding of databases, data structures, and the business needs that drive data systems. While technology may continue to evolve and change the nature of certain jobs, it is unlikely that data engineering will become obsolete anytime soon. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any thoughts or questions about this topic, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.